to change Netflix video quality. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Netflix app on your mobile device or desktop. Then simply tap on the profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Then tap on the accounts from drop-down menu. Now, once inside account, you will get to see some major highlights option available in top. Tap on the profiles. Then tap on your profile, whichever you want to increase the video quality of. Then scroll down and tap on the playback settings. Now inside playback settings, you can see data usage per screen option available there. Tap it to the high and simply save the changes. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.